So let's begin the video. Open the CapCut first. Here create new project, and here you need to import the video you want to edit. For example, I'm gonna edit this video for an instance. So I'm gonna put it in the timeline. So now it's in the timeline. So I want to edit the audio to it. So I can go to import here, and you need to find the audio. For example, I don't have anything in this laptop, so what I can do, I can go on the video. For example, in this video I'll import the timeline, and I'll do one thing. I'll extract the audio from it, and there you go. This is the audio of this video, and I will delete this video. So this is the video from the audio. This is the audio from the video. Sorry. So I added this audio to this video. Okay. So if I need to trim it according to the timeline, or I can put it according to timeline. For example, I want this audio to start from here in this section of the video. So I can do it as is, and I can also collapse it or expand it. So this was it about how to add the audio. And if you have the audios in laptop or in your PC, so you want to just add it, you can simply locate the audio wherever you put it and just put it according to this. So it will be as shown as this. And you can also here use the voiceover section. For example, if I want to have a voiceover from here, I can go on this mic option. You can see here voiceover, and you can also choose the mic you wish to voiceover. So I'm choosing this mic, and you need to click on this red option here, and as you can see, the voice is recording. So I need to click on this again so that the voice is complete, and there you go. Here is the voice, and you can zoom it to see it properly. Yeah, there you go. Here's the voiceover one, and this is the voice I was recording to show you. So you can also put it in the timeline wherever you wanted. You can also delete it if you want to by right clicking on it, and you can go and delete, and you can go reduce noise, normalize, loud, and do any other steps you can. So this was about the video, and if you find it useful, please hit like, subscribe, and share. And thank you. Have a nice day.